The Career Pathway Channel, guiding nurses to success.
Hello guys, welcome to the Career Pathway channel, where we guide nurses on their pathway to success. Today in this video, we want to give help tip for students who wish to download any form of document from the school portal. At Student Hub, where we print documents, I've had students send in screenshots rather than sending real images or downloaded PDFs of the document they wish to extract from their portal in school website. However, this video is here to help with such issues. So have you ever wished to download your school fees payments receipts, or perhaps your registered courses? This video is here to guide you on how you can download the PDF. So go to the school portal, portal.edocns.edu.ng for EdoCNS students. The next thing to do is to log into the website. You log into your personal portal. So for me, I'll be using my own information. I'll use my own information, my email, and then let me get my password. I'll get my password. Let me log into the school portal. So that's my password. I've logged in. So you'll be redirected. On logging into the school portal, the next thing you will do is to go to your dashboard. On your dashboard, you'll see the three dots, the three lines at the top left corner of your dashboard. When you click on it, to show you these highlights, click on my academic history. You click on my academic history. Then note that this video is teaching us how we can download our registered courses online. So you must have registered your courses at this time. You must have registered your courses. So we want to download these registered courses. So here we can see it says based on the year you are 2023/2024, 2024/2025, 2025/2026. So that's my current academic level. So I'll have to click on view registration. So click on view registration and you either select either first semester or second semester. So these are my second semester courses. The next thing I need to do on this, below this page, is print registration slip. You're going to tap it, converting, please wait. When you do that, it will appear, this page will appear. Click on the three dots at the top right of the page. Look at the three dots at the top right corner. And then when you do that, we want to look for the option that says print. We want to look for the option that says print. Here we go. Look at it at the down. It says print. So click on print. On clicking on print, you'll see a circular PDF at the top right. Click on the PDF at the top right corner. Then go down to ask you for saving details. Now you are going to type the name of the document you wish to save that, so that when you search it on your file manager, you can easily find it there. So I want to save, I want to use my course registration instead, my course registration. Then click on save. Voila, that's it. Now go back to your file manager or your gallery. Go back to your file manager or your gallery, and then you see it there. Click on it to open. You can also transfer or send or share to your WhatsApp or to your printer or to Student Hub for printing. I hope this video helps you, so that next time you stop doing screenshots and send the correct documents as it should be. Okay, because I usually charge extra because you're giving me extra work. I'll have to cut off the screen, the additional screens. I'll have to cut them off. So I charge extra as Student Hub. So one will limit those charges and help students do professional work. So guys, please share this video to your classmates who will be having difficulties trying to download the PDF documents from their school portal or school fees payments received from the school portal. Till we meet again, is bye for now.
The Career Pathway Channel, guiding nurses to success.